So this is a quick tutorial on transforming objects inside of DesignX. Because you're dealing with different types of data, in this instance I have a scan data set, this blue object on screen, and then I have the CAD model version of it on screen as well. Let's say that I need to move them to a new orientation in this workspace, but I need to move both of them. You have to use different tools to move scan data than you have to move CAD objects. So if you're going to do that, let's say that I move the scan data to another orientation. I can come over to, there's lots of different ways of moving it, but a popular way is this interactive alignment tool. So if I just do an interactive alignment and I move the scan data, obviously most of the time when you're doing an interactive alignment, you're actually doing an actual alignment, and I'm putting it in a coordinate system by fitting using regions or features and all those things. But let's just say that I'm going to put this in some odd orientation here. Once I do that, that object inside of DesignX, if I click on the object in the tree, it actually has a matrix associated with it here. So if I come over and I hit export, I'm just going to save that to my desktop. So now I saved out a transformation matrix for that object. Now if I need to move the CAD object, I have to use a different tool to move the CAD object. So if I come over to Model, Transform Body, and click on it, I can come over to Next, and then instead of doing similar approach by moving stuff manually, I can just come over to Matrix, and I can load the same matrix that I had. And then it will move the object to the new location. Now there is a sketch that was constrained to a certain plane or something, so it's causing the model to not rebuild properly. But that's not a problem. If I just duplicate that object first and then move it, then see that it won't do that anymore. So that's how you can apply transformations to objects inside of DesignX.